In this video, we will be swapping out a power steering pump on a third generation Camaro. The Saginaw power steering pump was used for almost 100 years due to its simplicity and reliability. The first step is to use a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar to loosen the tensioner and then remove the belt. We will be using a pulley puller to remove the pulley from the power steering pump. Install the tool on the front of the pulley and remove the pulley. Drain the reservoir of as much fluid as you can, and then loosen the flare nut at the bottom of the power steering pump. Undo the hose clamp and remove the return line hose. Remove the 3 T50 Torx bolts and then remove the pump from the bracket. And the next step is to install a new power steering pump by securing the 3 T50 Torx bolts. Align the pulley on the power steering pump shaft and then use the pulley install tool to install the pulley. Use a breaker bar to release the tension from the tensioner and reinstall the belt. Remove the install tool, then reinstall the 18mm flare nut at the bottom of the power steering pump alongside the 3/8" return line. Fill the pump with power steering fluid or ATF. As the next step, you will need to turn the wheel lock to lock 25 times with the tires off the ground. Let the car sit for 24 hours to make sure any bubbles leave the system, and then turn the wheel lock to lock 15 more times. Top off the fluid, fire up the engine, and then turn the wheel lock to lock. Make sure to check for any potential leaks. Remove the jack stands from underneath the car. And then turn the wheel lock to lock. It's important to test the steering to ensure that it has full range of motion, there is no rubbing, clunking, and that you actually have power assist. And just a fair warning, this has the potential to be a very messy job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and a comment below.